of something great. My lungs will fill and then deflate. They fill with fire, it's no desire. I know it's dire, my time today.
What is up, gamers? Welcome back to an awesome Animal Jam video. Here I am, clicking the daily spin button for my 2 times reward. That's exciting, that's pretty good. I need money. As you can see, I'm still clearly broke. I don't know how people on this game get money. Perfectly clean, 0 roaches, up to standard shop my den. Let's go to Keto's shop. Okay, so they're a liar. My question is, how do they get these statues? I didn't even know this was in their game. If you didn't know, I'm a pretty big bug fan. Holy shit. Is this JD Vance? Okay. You can get a membership off Play Wild, but the thing is, I don't know how, and I'm too lazy to grind for like, I think it's like 1,000 sapphires you need to do that shit. Okay. Dude, what is this person's den? Hold up. Peter Griffin minion. An emo Roger. Okay. Is this Ezreal? No way. Oh, no way. Anonymous? Is that the guy who makes the hyena? No, wait, no, it's not. Markiplier. Bitch. Me when I play AJHQ. Dude, or not AJHQ, what the fuck? Okay. Okay, I just gotta say, I really like this person's artwork collection. Let's see what they got up here. Whoa, look at this kitty! Dude. Oh, hey! Stop this! Dude, this fucking Tom art crashed my game, I think. Hold on. What happened, dude? What happened? Are you serious? I don't know how that happened. Anyways, to be honest, I'm seriously considering buying my membership again for 3 months. But at the same time, all you really can do is buy these shops now. And the economy is so screwed. I saw a video just now. Not just now, but like earlier today about how pink longs are suddenly the rarest spike collar and not black longs. Which I don't believe that. Maybe it's because I still have the mindset of being back in like fucking 2014 or whatever, playing this game. And they're the rarest item, dude. And now they're used as like fucking currency or whatever. But why do I have this stupid? Yeah, there we go. I want to go to Jamal Township. Thank you very much. Let's try to get this one bird. I heard they show up like right around here. What bird is that? I don't remember getting that bird. Because I looked it up on the wiki and it said they show up here, but I waited for like what felt like forever. And guess what? They never showed up. So I don't know. Dude, is this the bird? Oh, no way. No way that happened that fast. Wow, Paradise Throne. Let's go put it in my den. This is kind of ugly. I'm gonna put it right behind my thing. I really hope no one comes to my den. It's so ugly. Oh, look at all the spring things. Spring fun time in the spring. I love it. It's so awesome and so wonderful. Let's go play this game. Phantom Invasion. Let's play Phantom Invasion. God damn, you see how close I was? I think I know the method. You gotta, like, get them when they're at the end. Hold on, watch this. Hello? Okay, so now you're scamming me of 10 gems. I'm already short on cash, guys. This is not funny. Whatever. Okay, just lost a bunch of gems. Oh my god, you see what I mean? I don't even know what's going on. Now my internet's down again, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what ghost is playing games on me, but this is not funny. I want to Animal Jam. Let me Animal Jam. I get it's almost 2 in the morning. Okay. Okay, we're back, jammers. We're gonna play some games with people, I think. Let's play rock, paper, scissors. Okay, pretty quick. Let's see how this goes. Oh, jerk! Let's think. Maybe we'll do paper, maybe we'll do rock again. We'll stay with rock, because we're gonna... Yes, yes, I knew they were gonna do that. You fool. Dude, I knew it. You're... Hashtag... That was awesome. Okay, who wants to play another game? Wait, no. I want to play marbles. I haven't played marbles in so long. I used to love this game. Somebody play marbles with me. Marbles. Not cool. Okay. Let's go to Aladdin. I'm sure someone there will want to play marbles. See? What can I say? Sir Grand's turn. Yeah, okay, I'm yellow. Girl, why did you do that? No way you seriously did that. You've never played marbles before? Head out, okay. Okay, and I just knocked out 3 of their balls. Please knock out my yellow balls.
Yes!
Okay, thank you, Grand Spirit, Sir Grand Spirit, for almost returning the favor. Hello? What happened? Are you serious? This is not even funny. Whatever.